25 years with the same firm, 4 continents. He had seen failures no algorithm has seen. No one asked him to document what he knew. When he left, his knowledge left with him. Within 6 months, the team made a mistake he would have prevented in 5 minutes, cost a 6-week delay. 80% of engineering employers share knowledge internally. Only 57% do so with retiring staff. That 23-point gap represents billions in lost intellectual capital. Question 1. What do you know that no one else knows? Question 2. What is the one lesson from a failure we cannot afford to forget? Question 3. Who should know what you know? Ask these questions before they leave. Full article linked below.
So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.